So I'm gonna start my new series of creating website via WordPress. So this is my first video. So guys, let's get started. So as I already told you that I'm gonna start my new series. So this lecture series is all about creating websites. So if you haven't subscribed yet, so do subscribe and follow. So as you can see, this is my by default web page. So I haven't installed the WordPress. So this is my cPanel login menu. So you just need to log in your cPanel account, and whatever you have a domain, for example you have a hostinger, you need to log in your hostinger. But right now I have a cPanel, so you need to log in, and now you need to install. So that's how you can install. Choose the installation option. So there are several options you need to check: installation path, website name, and plugins, website language, and you also need to select the version of WordPress. You need to enter username, password, and email ID, and you need to select the path, and you need to enter your password for your WordPress login. So I'm setting the guys, now you need to select the WordPress administrator options. Now you need to enter your username, password, and email address, and further on you need to select the database. You need to select the database name, database path, data name, file name, database username, password, and you need to select the option automatic update, and there are several options. So you need to check or update these options before installation. You should keep in mind that your database password should be strong, and your username and password should be kept secret. You should save your password in a notepad, so make sure you don't forget your password. And whenever you log in your WordPress account, you need to enter your login ID and password. So before click installing, you need to save your password. This is the most important part of installation of WordPress. So that's how you can install. Now before installing, you need to make sure all the setting is perfectly accepted or perfectly entered. So now you need to just install. Click install button. So after clicking install, so it will start installation. So WordPress is going to install right now. So as you can see, now WordPress is installing. So now you need to install WordPress plugins. So there are several of plugins. There are thousands of plugins you can install according to your requirement. So here it is. So these are the plugins that you can install. So we need Elementor for our website. So that's how you can install. So we will gonna download these plugins in next video. So hope you guys like this video. So see you in the next video.